Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto. My name is Bill and today we are going to talk about ZRX. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you so much for the support and let's proceed quickly to our technical analysis here with the Fibonacci retracement and the MACD. Of course, you see here the blue line is above the signal line because of this pump on the price action. Testing this resistance level, this major resistance level, I want to see how far it can go. I want ZRX to exceed, to go above this resistance line. It is very huge. If it does that, then we will start making we will have a buying opportunity. Okay, so here on the Fibonacci levels, I want to see this red line playing the support line, but if we go even beyond, I want to see this blue line, which is not a Fibonacci retracement line. It is my line. I want to see hitting this target or maybe even going further down with the support. I expect to see a correction here, moving a bit sideways or even a bit downwards, and then retesting this resistance level here, guys. And I will show you exactly why I think we will go and move sideways. It will be very healthy to move sideways or a bit downwards after all, retesting some support levels, then going back above and hitting this point here, this resistance line here. It is very healthy and I want to see ZRX doing that in order to go even further above. We are in the daily frame, of course, on the trading view. So here I'm expecting also the MACD, the blue line here, to stand above the signal line and go even further above, so we can see some pretty good solid price action for ZRX. Right now, let's go to the RSI and the commodity channel index. You can see here we got an overbought situation with a huge bullish candle. That's why we go downwards a bit because of this candle here, and I'm expecting to go even further a little down with the commodity channel index. The RSI is still below the 70. It's going sideways the 70. It is between 30 and 70. So we don't have an overbought situation according to RSI, but with the CCI we have, and that's why I'm expecting to go a bit downwards, being sideways, going sideways again, and maybe retesting some higher support levels than the previous time. Okay, I hope ZRX will do that, but let's see for the future. We need to wait and see. Okay, so that's it with the RSI and the CCI. Nothing to worry about here, nothing major to worry. We will have a bit of a downwards, so I suggest you to wait and see in the next few days, guys. So let's proceed quickly to ZRX and the Bitcoin. We are in the weekly frame now, and I think this here is a big movement. You can see here the 50-day MA went above the 30-day and the 20-day MA. That's why we had this bear scenario, and I want to see the 50-day MA going beyond the 30-day and 20-day MA, so we can have some pretty bullish action for ZRX. You can see here the 50-day MA was way above the 20-day and 30-day MA. That's why we had here on the 2019, we had here the bearish run for ZRX. But in overall, guys, you can see we are near the bottom. Okay, not here, but we are near the bottom. So it has huge potential to grow even further for ZRX against Bitcoin. Okay, so we have to wait, but we always have to take into consideration the support and resistance lines I've talked before with the ZRX against USD. That's why we need to be patient a bit and focus mainly on what it will do in the next few days. But according to the historical data here, we got, let's see, this was our top, guys, and I think we will be retesting this line pretty soon, or I don't know if it's pretty soon, but we will soon retesting this line here, and we want to see if we will go upwards or downwards. Here we retested on August 2020, we retested this line here. Okay, this resistance line here which was previously a support line. We retested, we went down, we went beyond this resistance line, then we retest this resistance line here standing, and now I want to see 50-day MA going beyond the 20-day MA and the 30-day MA retesting this, and then we will see afterwards if it can go up or down. Of course, I don't want Bitcoin to fall down and ZRX to stay the same. I want Bitcoin to remain or even going higher, but ZRX also following. Okay, so let's go to the Bollinger Bands here, and you can see that this bullish candle extended the top line of the Bollinger Bands. That's why I think, guys, we will have a correction here going inside the Bollinger Bands again. Same happened here 5 February 2021, and we had the same pattern. Okay, and now you can see that we had this correction here, this side here, this correction. Okay, so I'm expecting to do somewhat the same. I'm expecting to hit a correction like this again. Maybe the Bollinger Bands will go even higher. Maybe we will see something like this and we will have a new support level, but we need to wait and see. Patience is a virtue, especially in cryptocurrency market, as you know, of course. So let's go quickly and leave the Bollinger Bands. I think that this will have a correction. As I told you before, Bollinger Bands here tells us the squeeze point. But let's move on, guys, to the ZRX price prediction. You see here the resistance line, the major resistance line here that I want to see retesting. I want to see the ZRX retesting this resistance line. Maybe we go further, maybe we reach this support line, maybe we reach even this one here, maybe we do something like these guys, or maybe even further down, then going backwards to this resistance line, retesting. Maybe we'll then move and retest this line. But in order to be sure, I would like to see ZRX surpassing this line, so here we can make some huge buying opportunities. We can have some huge buying opportunities if it goes above this resistance line here. And I don't want it to fall further down from this line from now on. I don't want to have this sideways situation. I want to see a minor sideways, a minor correction, because it will be very healthy, and I want to see retesting this line here. So let's go to ZRX against Ethereum. As you can see here, we are in the weekly frame and we are in this support line over here, guys. We are in this support line, tested here again, this one. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see, tested here the level, and now we are moving sideways. We made here the support line, which was previously a resistance line at December, and now I think this is our support line, and I'm waiting to see if it can go up here and go even further above from the Ethereum. But according to historical data again, you can see here, guys, that we are not even close to the highs we had seen in 2020, in 2020 May, August, and so on, October 2019, of course here April 2009, and the bull run which occurred here for ZRX on October 2018. I'm expecting ZRX to go even further, retesting this level and going above, but we will need to wait, of course, and see. Okay, so this is just my opinion, this is just my advice. You should always do your own research, but we can have a huge potential, huge growth for ZRX. We need to wait and see. Now, for the market cap, it sits at $1,377,000,000, okay, dollars, and this here, the security supply sits at 760 million. And if you multiply the circulating supply with the dollar price, you can get the market cap. You already know that, guys. And now, to be fair, I think this coin is cheap. It has a potential of going like 5x maybe by the end of the year, but we will see, or 4x or 3x. We will see though. It has a potential, but we need to wait and see for the market how it will reply and what will be the demand for ZRX. But according to market cap, it is still cheap. I think that we might see a pump up for the market cap, comparing also to Bitcoin, of course. Compared to Bitcoin, market cap is cheap. So that's why I always consider when saying that a coin is cheap, I always take into consideration the market cap and not the price. This is a huge mistake, guys. Don't even think that the price will tell you much about how cheap is a coin or how expensive is a coin. We always consider market cap and comparing to Bitcoin. Okay, so that is the circulating supply, that is the market cap. It can grow even further in the future in 2021, but we will see. Right now, I want you to focus on the short term, and I want you to focus if we can surpass this line here, this resistance line, guys. It is very important to see the action in the next few days, so you will be sure when it will be a buying opportunity. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for the support. See you again. Bye.